That's what I was just saying. Yeah.
We got to make some tests. Something caused that filter to plug up. Something weird about this thing.
What filter?
Well, or the thermostat to plug up and then the water to back up.
Right.
Yet the engine wasn't really that hot.
No, it wasn't.
Which meant that the bus was running cold enough, the thermostat didn't open at all.
And it never blew out more than 2 gallons of water. 3 gallons, actually.
To start that easy?
Yeah. I didn't expect that.
Huh?
I didn't expect that. I was just hoping it'd turn over
Yeah, I was just thinking.
a couple times before it locked up again.
But it didn't. I got to talk to Ted about that and see what he says. It might be better just to fix that engine than to fool around with.
On a car, I saw the crankcase pressure build so much it popped the valve cover off of it. I mean, it bent it in half. That's like when it doesn't have anywhere to go, that's a pretty killer compressor. That's an 8-cylinder compressor.
It doesn't make sense. And I want to make sure nothing's damaged, that we don't have a problem on the road.
I know. Almost. Lauren, you know you love this.
Huh?
You know you love this.
Well, I've been doing it for so long. It's kind of new. That's nice.
What was that?
Funny brakes do that in reverse. Every now and then.
Are you flipping the switch when you put it in reverse?
Yeah,
You're doing it so fast I don't even see you doing it.
right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's good.